Back at it again, continuing Rage 1. As I warned in the last video, this will likely be mainly a racing one. Because we're going for that 100%, trying to get everything done. The stream will likely be about 30 minutes, and then we'll start another one up for you watching this on YouTube. Well, it'll be 30 minutes. If you're not interested in the racing side of this game, I would suggest maybe skipping to the next episode, or maybe the one, or even the one after that, because I don't know how many episodes this is going to take. But we've got a good chunk of them already done, so we're going to hop back into it, see if we can get these done. All right, let's get to it. I remember these races being a mix between real easy and real hard. The last one we did in the last episode, the last race we did on the last episode was close. Had I not grabbed that last bit of boost, I would not have won it. Oh wow, that is a mean start. Oh, I don't want to do like that. I can feel those missiles. Oh no. Come on, Goose. Did I get him? Got him that time. Where's my objection? Oh, it's up there. Oh, that's annoying. Wow. Oh, I'm right confused. What the? Ooh. Oh, I don't like this one. Confusing. Oh, I'm right because I have no idea how this is going to work. Oh god, I'm losing by a chunk. I had a... Alright, we might just restart this. Yeah, restart the race. I don't know. I need to get a better hang of this race because I assume this is going to be like a track course. It's not. This just seems to be a drive around and hopefully get it to first and just be in the right place at the right time. Fine. Hold on. Ooh. Okay. I feel the hatred. No love in this lobby. This match. I'm gonna run. Wait, what? Oh, someone must have beaten me to it. What? Oh, he's on my ass! How the hell are you supposed to win this? Oh, what? I'm completely fuzzled how you're meant to win this if the cars just split up, repeatedly split up, so you can't But yeah, how am I supposed to... What? So yeah, the cars just keep splitting up. There must be a trick to this. We're just gonna keep restarting it until until eventually it works. Because the cars just seem to veer off and then just go to where like the next one's gonna be. Ooh. Right, if he beats me to that, I can grab that one down. Yeah, this one down here. Alright. This is what I mean, it's like that. The one in the back just constantly gets the ones that reset themselves. So this I'm gonna literally just park and wait for them to respawn. I have no idea how this is gonna work. Right, they're gonna grab that one. Alright, yeah, okay, I've got it. I think I know how you do this now. You basically just gotta camp the bridge. Yeah, I think I get it now. Yeah, you just gotta camp the bridge. That's the only way you can do this. Yes! So yeah, camping was the way to do that one. Alright, nice. One down.
Interested in winning some racing certificates?
If I was sure that we'd come back to this area, I would go do a mission or two and then come back and do a couple more. But as I'm not entirely confident we'll be coming back.
Drive safe.
I don't want to like leave things undone. But the speed this is going, this will probably be a racing episode, and then hopefully we can get back into the fight, you know, into some fighting on the next step. Let me through! Oh god, this is a mean course. Oh boy. Any guns? I have no guns. Oh, you wanker! Fuck off! He's trying to spin me out, you bunch of wankers. Yeah, how's it feel? How's it feel, knobhead? I know it's a computer, but beside the point. I don't think these traps do anything. It doesn't feel like they are. grab that boost on the way back. Oh, fuck. That's gonna, yeah, that's gonna lose me first. And I'm gonna retake it. What the, whoa, that wasn't even a frame rate drop. I think we just kind of broke it there for a second. Just like, what's going on? I almost cooked the goose right there. My goose was almost cooked. Woo! Yeah. I like to think I'm good at my racing games. At some point in the future, I'm probably going to be streaming some of the Need for Speeds or the Forzas. I don't know yet.
Check out what races are available.
I'm not good at accepting anything other than first place in a race. In like PvP shooting game, in like shooting games and all that, coming last or losing the match doesn't bother me, but in a racing game, whoa. Whoa, I can't accept it.
Welcome, racing fans. It's a scorcher out there today, but our drivers can take the heat as they prepare to go.
Oh, is it the same track again, just with rockets this time? That means I don't want to be in first to start with. Fuck off! They really do like to try. Oh, he's done. Oh, he's done. God, I'm the first. That means I am the target of their affections. That means I need to skedaddle. No, go away. Oh, I wasted it. I thought he was going to shoot me. Just hit the pillar or something. Ah, that worked out really well. I got myself an half of the lead there. Oh no. I can feel that rocket on my ass. And I can feel that one as well. Hot turn, yes! Dun, 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 dun. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I can outrun it! I can outrun it! I can outrun it! No, I can't. No, I can't. Ooh. No, not in that one. Fuck out of first. Mine. Ooh, hot turn it. No. Game's not having it. No! 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 Ah, come on! Oh! Oh, that is the closest one yet. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was it. Oh, I wasted two of those shields. Alright, lesson learned. Save the shields for when you've already been
Care
shot
to look
once.
through the list of events? See you again.
Alright, let's have a look what upgrades we can get for our buggy.
Here to browse my selections?
Well, I'll get the better one than Anta.
See you soon.
And there goes all our certificates.
Interested in winning some racing certificates?
I'm right, lad. Let's go. Oh, that was a good race. I enjoyed that.
Ladies and gentlemen, bandits and mutants, we've got another exciting combat race for you today.
Oh, I think we're back on the original track. I gotta go! Let me through! Let me through! Actually, why do I want first on rockets? Oh god. Oh wow. You cunt! Bunch of arseholes. But I will kill my way into first if I have to. I said I would kill my way into first, and I wasn't joking. Oh god, and he killed his way in first. Oh, that's him, little rocket. Oh god. Look at nasty core. Oh my god, this is pure chaos. How come mine don't go round corners? Haha, this one on the run. Yeah, I got him. We will be that arsehole. Yeah. If I can't take first through driving skill, I will take first through blood. Alright, we got one more race in this batch. Alright, the game must send us back here at some point then, because we don't have that car yet.
Good luck.
Yeah, we don't have that car yet, so it must be that that we come back here when we get a different whip. Whip. God, I need to stop that Nottingham slang. Oh no. Oh god, you know what? I put those tyres and that suspension on. You know what? I'm struggling more now than what I was in the last set, the previous set. Oh, that's dark. Oh, it's this track in reverse. Now that I'm aware of that. Is it reverse? Oh no, no, this is track the normal way around, but for some reason I got a little confused. Oh, this car just, oh my god, it handles terrible. I did not put those wheels on. This is horrific. Alright, we're gonna have to learn to start using the brake. Those are some tight turns. Making good time. I needed that. Oh, I was thinking I was going to get that perfectly for once. You gotta go. Oh, yes, I did grab that. I thought I was gonna miss it. Oh, goddamn, I thought I was gonna clip that. I got the one I thought I'd miss and missed the one I thought I'd got. Yes! Alright. We've got one more race. Then we need to go find that outfitter, get this arc suit off, and then we will start the next episode.
Interested in winning some racing certificates?
Oh, god damn. We'll put by capturing rally points. Oh no. Oh, most of these are rally points. God damn. I had a feeling that might crop up a few times just because I didn't like it. Stop racing if there's a checkpoint. If there's checkpoint. If there's no checkpoints. Clear it. I'm gonna let this one hit. What is it with them and head-on collision? His head-on collision is what put him ahead of me there. Let's do one more. Haha, get played! Fool me once! Shame on you. Fool me twice. Shame on me. And fooled me a third time, and I should have learnt me lesson the second. Alright, I think that's all the races for that, so let's go and have a figure out where that outfitter is. If we can get that done before we start the next step, would be nice. Then we can just straight hop into another mission.
Roll 'em.
Oh, there's a mini game. Okay, this might not. We may not have the next episode of the combat episode. Well, that really is just luck-based, hoping that...
Come on.
Bet 25, go.
Good roll.
Oh, sorted! That was lucky. That wasn't. Boo! Boo! Okay, we're not going to bet big money on this. This really is just pure luck-based. There is no skill in this game. Yes! Oh, we got some money back, so... I mean, the odds are in my favour that I'm going to win this. Yes! Big money!
Come on.
Go again. Boom. Oh no, come on. Yes! Oh. Alright, I'm done with that now. I don't know what the
Look
point
at
of that
how
is,
you're dressed.
but...
A man from the past walks through my door. Goes to show you that no one needs nothing around here. But let's first talk about that suit you're wearing. I can take it off your hands for a fair trade and get you something a little less, well, noticeable. Each of the suits possesses
you.
unique characteristics. It's up to you to decide what works best for you.
Build stuff like a pro, enhance most of the cool things you can get, pocket protector not included. As we're on nightmare mode, I think extra protection is probably the smart option.
Very good indeed. Remember, I buy and sell all manner of goods here. I have some
We'll have to sell
of the
them, chap.
finest goods.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's why that mini game is outside the door. It's so you can come in here and then immediately spend it all. I feel like we need that. Grab us some bandages. I didn't feel any issue with the shotgun ammo, so let's grab that for the assault rifle.
Good day to you.
Alright, lovely. Coming here was a good idea. This is a good place to come. Ooh, job board. Missing person? Let's get on it. I'm so sorry. That's a habit that is. I should have let you all read that.
Non-usable rubbish, as it can contain disease, insects, and other dangerous substances. Please use the clearly marked trash barrels for all your disposal needs, or you will be heavily punished.
Talk with Sally in the bar for a lucrative opportunity.
Remember,
Ooh.
working together, we can
Where is
keep
the
this city clean and
Where is
safe.
his
Jackpot's
bar?
closed. Authority is gone and shut her down. But if you're looking for a game of chance, keep your eyes peeled for pickup games around town. There's always some fool willing to risk his money.
Go back here. Okay, guess nothing around there. I guess we're not allowed to do that yet. Mike's garage. Alright, he's still not there.
If you're looking for a race, go
Caleb.
see Jackie Weeks. He's in the back of town. You can't miss him. Just look.
Already done that. Oh yeah, let's just go have a chat with the maid then. Alright, we're gonna end it here. That way, we can watch this scene in the next step. Anyone who decides to watch it in the archive, thank you, and I hope to see you in chat at some point. Alright, well, for the YouTube side of things, thank you for watching. I will be posting the next ep in a couple of days after this one's posted. And ta-ta for now.